This story is for those who dream and move forward with courage. For anyone who thinks, maybe I can't do it, or, now is not the right time. If you want to improve your life and see your efforts pay off, this story is for you. In a small corner of the city, there was an old house. Inside lived Aisha with her parents and 2 younger sisters. Her family was ordinary. Her mother took care of the home, and her father ran a small shop. Their financial situation was tight, but the house was full of love and care. From a young age, Aisha was different. While other children played, she read. While others watched TV, she wrote. There was a hidden determination in her, a determination that gave her the courage to dream and fight for those dreams. People often said, "Child, dreams are just dreams. Learn to be practical." But in her heart, Aisha felt, I will create my own world, whether people understand me or not. At school, Aisha was reserved. She often sat in the corner of the classroom, writing, sometimes pouring her thoughts into a diary. Her teachers saw potential in her, but her self-confidence was weak. Her classmates often underestimated her and laughed at small things. One day, the school announced the Young Writers Competition. For Aisha, it was the first chance to show her story to everyone. But she also felt fear. What if nobody likes my work? Her mother encouraged her, saying, if you don't start, you'll never know. Mistakes teach you, not fear. These words stayed in Aisha's heart. She decided to read her story on stage, no matter whether she won or lost. On stage, she hesitated at first. Her hands shook, and her voice was soft. But as she continued, her determination became stronger than her fear. Slowly, the audience started reacting positively, and she gained confidence. The competition ended. Aisha didn't win first place, but she won something more important, the hearts of everyone. That confidence and courage was her real victory. Returning home, she opened her diary and wrote, even in failure, I have won because I tried and faced my fear. Aisha decided to improve her skills every day. She started writing regularly, published articles, and participated in small competitions. Every failure became a lesson, helping her move forward. A few years later, Aisha became a successful writer. Her book was published, and people were inspired by her determination and hard work. Today, Aisha is not only a successful writer but also an inspiration for those who hesitate to pursue their dreams. Life can make stopping easy, but true courage is moving forward despite fear. Dreams are not just for seeing, they require hard work, dedication, and patience. Lesson: don't let fear block your growth. Treat failure as a lesson, not a reason to stop. Trust your courage and determination, and one day, you will create your own world.